Read me.
Listen to your inner voice. Listening to your inner voice means paying attention to your intuition and trusting your own judgment. It involves understanding and being aware of your own thoughts, feelings, and desires, and using that knowledge to guide your decisions and actions. When you listen to your inner voice, you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your needs, which can lead to more fulfilling and satisfying experiences in life. Trusting your inner voice can also help you make better decisions, especially in situations where you might feel uncertain or overwhelmed. It takes practice to develop the habit of listening to your inner voice, but with time and patience, it can become a valuable tool for navigating life's challenges.
Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1, go.